Hi, I'm James Davis. I'm the Neighbourhood Services Manager for Neath Talbot Council. As part of my role as Neighbourhood Services Manager, I'm responsible for cemeteries, for waste enforcement, for country parks like the Knoll, our former parks like Victoria Gardens and Talbot Memorial Park, and also neighbourhood services in general covers things like pothole filling, sign clearing, bus shelters, grass cutting and fragging. At the age of 16, my dream was always to be a civil engineer. The plan was to go to university, but an opportunity presented itself with Neath Talbot Council. An apprenticeship in civil engineering was advertised, which I applied for, and I'm still here 14 years later. At that time, there was two options that I had available to me. Was either to go down the university full-time route, to do A-levels and then follow on with the degree, or to actually take up the opportunity to start full-time employment and also then go on to do part-time education alongside it, and it's definitely proven to be the best option that I made and the right choice. So upon commencing my employment with Neath Talbot Council, I was immediately enrolled within Neath Talbot College to undertake an ordinary national certificate in civil engineering. That was a 2-year course. Straight after that, I enrolled on to a higher national certificate with Swansea Metropolitan University, as it was at the time, to do a further 2 years. I then gained full-time employment with the council and was supported to go on to do the degree in civil engineering and to even further to go on to undertake a master's in civil engineering. It was 10 years in total of part-time education. I was afforded 1 day a week to actually go up to undertake the course in line with obviously what the colleges and universities provide, and I was also funded right away from the start, so I've come up with no debt whatsoever. The most important thing for me though, I suppose out of all things working for Neath Talbot Council, is the fact that it affords me the opportunity to make a difference in the community that I live and that I've been brought up in. I've got 2 young kids myself, they're 2 and 3, and being able to make a difference in the neighbourhoods that they're going to go up in, play in, be educated in, it just gives you a sense of achievement. If you're thinking of applying for a job with Neath Talbot Council, just do it. You'll be a valued member of a large multifunctional team. You'll be invested in, you live in and work in a place which has got so many amazing and beautiful places on its doorstep. It's rich in culture, history, and it's also an organisation where your work colleagues will not just be work colleagues, but they also become friends.